Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to easily draw a curved ceiling? In just a few minutes, we'll walk you through the entire process and recreate this case step by step. Let's get started. Select the ceiling surface and click to enter Ceiling Editor. Click the Offset tool in the top toolbar, then click anywhere on the ceiling surface. Enter the offset value and press the Enter key to confirm. Select the area. Click the chamfer tool in the floating window. Choose the needed chamfer mode. Enter the radius and then press the Enter key to confirm. Next, set the extrusion value for the design surface in the bottom right corner. Use the Offset tool to create 2 additional stepped contour lines and set the extrusion value for each design surface in the bottom right corner. After completing the settings, you can drag and enlarge the top right viewport to check the effect and see if adjustments are needed. If no adjustments are required, click Exit with Save in the top right corner. After rendering, you will get a satisfactory effect image. That's all, thanks for watching.